Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please take some seconds to hit the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can use an egg with banana to get rid of wrinkles, glow, tighten your pores, smoothen your face, and maintain that youthful glow. That's what we're going to be doing today. In fact, if you have wedding tomorrow or anytime soon, please try this mask. If you are a bride and your face is not giving, try this mask. This mask will help to smoothen your face. It will help to tighten your pores, tighten your face, thereby getting rid of wrinkles. It will help to give you this young and youthful glow. That's what this mask will do, okay? So without much talk, let's get right into it. Let me show you how you can actually prepare this mask, okay? So let's get right into it. So to prepare the treatment, get a clean plate. The first thing you need is banana. Get your banana, peel it and start mashing it. You have to mash it until it's smooth, okay? Make sure that it doesn't contain lumps after mashing it, okay? So that it will be so smooth when you apply it on your face, okay? So we are going to be using banana because banana is an excellent skin moisturizer. It contains nutrients that fight wrinkles and prevent fine lines. Banana is an acne fighter. It helps to remove excessive oil. So banana is very good to the skin. That's why we'll be using banana for this treatment. Go ahead and mash it. After mashing it, then you go ahead and add it into another plate. Then we'll proceed with the next ingredient we will be using, okay? So now I'll go ahead and transfer it into this plate. Then once that is done, I'll go ahead and mix it. After that, the next ingredient I need to add is egg. We'll be using egg for this treatment, and the part of the egg we'll be using is the egg white. So we'll be using the egg white. If you cannot add the egg white this way, try and separate it in another plate, okay? So that's it. I'll go ahead and add the egg white. Then after that, I will mix it very well. Egg white helps to tighten and firm the skin. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg white helps close it and get rid of build-ups. And if you have oily skin, egg white helps to clarify pores and hair follicles that makes too much sebum. So egg white is very beneficial to the skin. So the next one we are going to be adding here is Greek yogurt. Please make sure it's plain yogurt. Greek yogurt is a plain yogurt. Just make sure that the yogurt you will be using is a plain yogurt. When I say plain yogurt, I mean yogurt that doesn't contain sugar. So go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of it and mix very well. Yogurt is a natural ingredient that works wonders for the skin. It contains lactic acid, which acts as a natural exfoliant and helps to remove dead skin cells. It also helps to brighten the skin by reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentations. Okay, so that's it. After adding the yogurt, please mix it very well. Mix properly, and after mixing is ready to be used, I will show you guys how you can actually use this, okay? So guys, we are done preparing the treatment, and here I have it with me. This is it. I have it with me. Like I said, this treatment will help to get rid of wrinkles. It will help to smoothen your face. That after using this treatment and you apply makeup, your face will be so smooth. Your makeup will be giving. Your makeup will last so long on your face without your face looking like an embalmed corpse. Yes. So try this treatment if you have any occasion soon, okay? Try it and see what happens. So this is it. Before you apply it on your face, make sure that your face is already washed. Wash your face and dry your face. My face is already washed. Take your brush or you can use your hand. Okay, take your brush, go ahead and take some amount of it. Apply it on your face, apply it all over your face. So after applying it on your face, let it dry up. Leave it on your face until it dries up. Once it dries up, go ahead and wash your face. After washing your face, please don't leave your face dry. Apply your face moisturizer or your face cream, okay? Once you apply it, you're okay. You've sealed all the nutrients, all the vitamins you applied on your face, you've sealed them up. But after using treatments and you wash your face without applying any cream, any face cream or moisturizer on your face, your face will be prone to breakout. It will be prone to dryness, okay? So after applying all these treatments, wash your face and apply your face cream or your face moisturizer, okay? So that is it for today, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.